Hello students, today we will do our chapter multiplication and division. Its exercise 2 and its property is distributive property. Okay, now what is distributive property? When we divide the numbers, the bigger number into smaller ones to multiply easily. See here I am giving you simple example to understand the concept of distributive property. This property is used to make the multiplication easy. Okay, now see how it will make easy. Now 18 multiply 8, 98. That you all know, you all can do, right? But in what manner you will do? You will do in the manner 18 into 98. You know this method? You all know this method. Okay, now what it will be? Firstly we will solve this question by this method, then we will solve by distributive property. This method you know, 8 8s are 64. Okay, now 8 1s are 8 plus 6, what it will be? 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So here write 14. Okay, now this finish. 9 8 ja, that is firstly you put cross here. Okay, multiplication sign. 9 8 ja, 72. 2 here, 7 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 7, that will be 16. Okay, so now place 16 here. Okay, so what it will become? 4. Okay, 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7, and then this 1. So you got the answer. No problem is there. This answer is very much correct. Okay, now see. This answer is very much correct. No correction is needed here. But this is a long method. Okay, now see how we are applying distributive property. Bigger number will make smaller and then we multiply. Okay, this is a simple method. Take that side. Now 18 and 98. Now you know 98 is very near to 100. 98 is very near to 100. It is very near to 100. If you can write 98. You can write 98 as 100 minus 2. There is no difference. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Okay, now put this value 100 minus 2 here in our question. Okay, this is the first method that you know. Now this is distributive property. How we apply? 18, firstly place that 18 here into multiplication sign is there. 98, that 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Two numbers are there na, so place in bracket. Okay, 100 minus 2, that you have to do. Now see, distribute means to distribute the things to other. Now what we have to distribute here? Here we have to distribute this 18. See, 18 is outside the bracket. Okay, 18 is outside the bracket, so that means this 18 will go with this 100 also, and this 18 will go with that 2 also. Okay, listen, see, this 18 will go with this 100 also, and this 18 will go with this 2 also, because here 18 is distributed to these 2. Okay, and over subtraction, here subtraction sign is there, that's why we are speaking distribute this number over subtraction. See, now how you do? 18 into 100, write it here, 18 into 100. Okay, now this minus sign is there, so place that minus sign here. Okay, now the next 18 into 2, this is done. What is remaining? 18 into 2. This 18 will distribute it to 100 also. This 18 will distribute it to 2 also. Okay, now see, 18 into 2. Now what is 18 into 100? We have done in last class that when you are multiplying by 100, place the two zeros directly. 18 into 100, that is 1800, minus sign is there, put minus again. 18 into 2, what is that? This is 36. Now you know 1800 subtract 36. What you got? You will do yourself, and I am writing 1800 minus 36. That will be this number, 1764. Okay, 1800 minus 36. You can do na 1800 minus 36. That you can solve. Okay, now when you solve this number, you will get this. And you know, see this number, this and this, both are same. Answer will be same. There will be no difference in the answer. So this is by distributive property. See, here we apply distributive property. Okay, and this is the simple method of multiplication. Okay, so is that easy or this one much easy? I think, and this is the easy method. Here you have done very less calculation. Here you do first 8 8s are 8 1s are, then you write it, 9 8s are 9 1s are, then you write it, then adding. Okay, 3 steps you have done. Now in this what you have done, see 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Very simple. Any one number you have to break. Don't break the both numbers. Okay, any one number you will take, you will break that. Okay, now see, this 18 will go with this 100 also. This 18 will go with this 2 also. Okay, now minus sign is there. Put that minus sign here. Okay, if plus sign will be there, here will be plus sign. So this is distributive property over subtraction, because subtraction sign is there. Now 18 into 100, that is 1800, minus 18 to the 36. Here we have not done any type of calculation. Simply we are doing this. 1800 minus 36. Only here we have subtracted. Okay, so we get this answer. So if you break the number, then you do the calculation very easy. So distributive property is used to make the calculation easy. Okay, see the next. Now see, 58 into 107. You have to product. See, product means multiplication you have to do. See now, you have to use distributive property. Now see, 58 and 107. See, here this will become easy, 100 plus 7. So distribute this number. This is also can be 50 plus 8, but calculation will be easy with this 100 plus 7, because when you multiply with 100, simply you just have to add the zeros. Okay, so that's why we are breaking this number. So break this number, what it will be? 58 into 100 plus 7. You are breaking this number, so take that in brackets. Okay, now simply take this number. This is outside the number. Take this number with this also, this number with this also. Distribute. You cannot just give one number to this only. Okay, you have to give to both. So give that to this and this again to this. So 58 into 100, write it here. You don't have to mark arrows. Just do that in your mind. 58 into 100 plus 58 into 7. Then now 58 into 100, what is that? 5800 plus 58 into 7. Do that in the rough. 58 into 7. Okay, see, 7 8 ja 56. 7 5 ja 35 plus 5, that is 40. So what it will be? 406. Done. See, now you can add this. What it will be? Write it here. Try to do in this. 6 plus 0, that is 6. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Okay. 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carry. No number is there. So 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 6206. Okay. Now the next is, now see the next part, B part, 83 into 96. Now see, you can do this 80 plus 3 also, 90 plus 6 also. But what will be the very easy? The very easy when you are breaking in 100 plus or 100 minus. Okay, that will be much easy. So see, 96. 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Clear? 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Okay. Now distribute this 83 into 100. Minus sign is there, so put minus sign here. 83 into 4. 83 into 4. See, 83 into 100, that will be 8300 minus 83 into 4. Do the multiplication in the rough. 83 into 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32 plus 1. 33. So write it here, 332. Okay. So now this is, here only we have done with one multiplication only. Okay. All are just doing. Now see, 8300 minus 332. Okay. That you can do. See. Subtract this and you will get your answer. So when you subtract this, you will get 7968. So this is your answer. Okay. Now you can do this. This is distributive property over subtraction. See the next. See here. See, you have to do your calculations easy. Okay, by using the property, distributive property. So what you do, see, 18 into 3065. There are two methods. But which one the correct one? Means the very easy one you can say. See, you can also break this 3000 plus 60 plus 5. Okay. Or you can do, see, you can write 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. Both are same. Why they are same? Because commutative property. 3 into 5 also gives 15 and 5 into 3 also gives 15. So that means no difference when order will be changed. Answer is same. So here also we can apply that. This is commutative property. This is commutative property. So firstly we are applying here commutative property. Take the bigger number in front. 3065 into 18. No problem is there. You can write this number as this also. Okay. You are applying here by commutative property. Write in the bracket. Okay. Why we have done this? By commutative property. See the next step. This number you will take same. Now 18. 18 can be written as 20 minus 2. Very simple. 20 minus 2. 18 can be written as 20 minus 2. Why I am taking this 3065 here? Because it is bigger one. I am just taking that side. Okay. So 18, I break that 20 minus 2. Okay. So which number you think na? That is easy to break. Just break that number only. So 20 minus 2. Now take this one here. This one to this. See 3065 into 20. 3065 into 20. You cannot multiply with 20. You will multiply with 2, and in the answer you will put 0. We have done in the last. So 3065 into, see, 3065 into 2, multiply this. So what you do? 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, plus 1, that is 13. 2 zeros are 0, 1 is there, write it here. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so that means 6130. When you multiply, firstly write 3065 into 20. Minus is there, place minus here. 3065 into 2. So when you multiply 3065 into 2 only, so what you are getting? 6130. 6130. But 1 0 is already there. Okay, so place that 0 also here. Okay, now when you are multiplying this by this, what you are getting? 6130. Okay, so now you can subtract this. See, 61300, 6130. Subtract this and find the answer. When you subtract this, what you get? 55,170. So write it here. 55,170. This is your answer. Okay. See the next part. See this part. See 73 into 998. Now if you do 70 plus 3, so that will be means very critical. 98, 99998 multiply by this 70. Okay, 70, and then 998 will be multiplied by 3, and then you will plus. It will be very difficult. So do the simple, like thousand, hundreds comes in that way. See, this 73 will remain same. Now this number 998, which to which it is closer? 1000. See, 998, 999, and then thousands. That means when you subtract 2 from the thousands, you get this number. That means 1000 minus 2. You can write 998 is 1000 minus 2. Like you write na 8. How you write 8? 10 minus 2. In the same way, 998 is 1000 minus 2. Okay. Now calculation become very easy. See, 73 into 1000 minus 73 into 2. See, its answer is very simple. 73 into 1000, that is 73,000 minus. Now 73 into 2. Do in rough. 3 2s are 6. 2 7s are 14. Write it here. Now you can subtract this. Okay. See, 73,000 minus this. 146. Subtract this and find the answer. Okay. See, the answer is 72,854. Write it here. 72,854. That is your answer. And this is the distributive property. Okay. So you can do now.